Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today, me and my dad are stripping our Commodore VH 1983 model so we can get it ready for panel beating. As always, make sure you subscribe to this channel and turn notifications on as well. And if you want, you can subscribe to my friend's channel, Signature Sam, 4HP Cricket, and yeah. I gotta say though guys, I reckon this was the easiest part of pulling apart the car. As you can see, I've only got a couple shots because I didn't really do much compared to my dad. But basically all I had to take out here was the grille and the two headlights and also the front bumper bar. The bumper bar was harder because all the bolts had been soldered right onto the shell. So that was a bit hard to get off, so we ended up breaking a bolt or two. But yeah, let's get into it. Also guys, subscribe to my mate Cryptic FN. He makes pretty amazing Fortnite videos. He's doing very well on YouTube right now with 61 subscribers, which is amazing if I say so myself. But yeah, let's get into the video and I hope you enjoy it. Thank you. What? the left front door. These are hard, one because we have to take everything plus the window out, but also the thing that we have to roll up the window with, which was quite a struggle, as you can see here in these videos. But we ended up getting them all out with a simple trick that my granddad had, and yeah, this is my granddad in the video right here. But yeah, we ended up getting it out, as you can see in the photo right here. But thanks for watching, guys, and I'll see you in the next one. See ya.